Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just want to start off by saying thanks to all the people who like the video, subscribe to the channel, or leave comments below. It's little things like that that help these videos get pushed out into the YouTube world so other people can see them and benefit from them as well. And as a thank you for doing so, I want to give you guys a free copy of my cold calling script. I know a lot of you guys that watch these videos, you're brand new. You know that you're going to have to talk to clients, but you have no idea what to say. This is going to change that for you. This is the exact same cold calling script that we use, that all my students use, and collectively they make millions of dollars a year in fees doing so. So this will help you out tremendously. All you have to do is click on the link in the description. It gets emailed over to you right away. Now, with that being said, I just want to get right into the meat and potatoes of this. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the top fundamental terms that you need to understand if you're going to be running a successful asset location business. Now, I will say that when it comes to terms aren't necessarily the most important thing. You know, the most important thing is knowing how to contact clients, how to follow up, how to convert. Okay, so this isn't going to make or break your business, but I will tell you one thing. Knowing some of these key terms, it will make you feel more educated and it will make you feel more confident. And the more confident you are, the more you'll be able to sub-communicate a sense of certainty of outcome when you're talking to claimants. And that right there, that will help you convert business. So let's get right into it right now. So the very first thing that everybody wants to know is, what is unclaimed funds? Okay, so unclaimed funds refers to the money or other financial assets that have been abandoned or forgotten by their rightful owner for an extended period. These funds can originate from various sources such as unclaimed bank accounts, insurance policies, and securities. Okay, number two, a recovery agent. Now, that's you and I, people that are looking to turn their hobby into a full-time business. Now, these are individuals or businesses that assist owners in reclaiming the unclaimed property, often for a fee or percentage of the recovered funds. You know, also known as Heir Finders or Locators, depending on what state that you're working in. You know, every state has their own set of terminology when you go on their website. Some of them call us Locators. Some of us call us Heir Finders. Some of us call us investigators. So there's a array of different terms they're going to use. But recovery agent, that's kind of the umbrella term. Okay, now three, a claimant. Okay, a claimant or is a person or entity that's filing that owns the unclaimed funds that they've hired you on their behalf to recover for them. Okay, the claimants, these are the people that we need to get good at talking to, at following up with, at converting. These are the people that are going to pay us. And so claimants, this is something that you're going to refer to on a very regular basis. This is important. Make sure you understand this and you write it down. Okay, number four, the holder. This is where the unclaimed funds come from. Okay, but it's the entities such as the bank, the corporation, or the government agency that's in possession of the unclaimed funds. So, like Chase Bank, Safeco Life Insurance, any of these big businesses that own the unclaimed funds, they're owed to the claimant, that would be the holder. Number five, due diligence. The effort required by the holder to locate and notify the rightful owners before the property is escheated to the state. Okay, most of the state unclaimed funds departments require that all the holders have a certain protocol or time frame that's in place before they can just escheat the property to the state department to where it can be claimed by the claimant there. Depending on the state that you're in, it could be 6 months to 24 months, but that's kind of what you're looking at as far as the overall process goes. Now, on to number six, escheatment. This is the next step. It's the process in which the unclaimed property reverts to the state after a specific amount of time of being inactive at the holder level. Number seven, the dormancy period. The dormancy period is during which the property must remain inactive. It is considered unclaimed and ineligible for escheatment. So what the dormancy period means, you guys, is that when you're out working deals, the State Department is going to say there needs to be a dormancy period of 12, 24 months. That's the amount of time that you, as the investigator, has to wait before you can assist the claimant in recovering that lost asset. Then number 8, the State Unclaimed Property Office, the government office responsible for administering the Unclaimed Property Program, possessing claims and handling disbursement payouts to either claimants or locators. Okay, now these people, they're really important. You need to make them your best friend when you're running this business, because they can either make your life a blessing or be a huge pain in the ass. So get good at becoming friends with the State Unclaimed Property Office. Now, you guys, these top 8 terms I have, there's really like 30 of them. I boil them down into the top 8 because these are going to be the ones you're going to hear the most and are going to probably be the most relevant to you and your business. But other than that, I hope this gave you guys a good understanding of some of the top terms that you're going to be using while running your business. Other than that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the link in the description to grab your free call